Yo, what's good, YouTube? Back with another video, and today I got y'all with a Slump6s preset. I don't think nobody really requested it, but I feel like y'all like it. And today, the song I'll be showing y'all, it's a feature with it. So I'm basically gonna be playing it's only gonna be like one bar, the person I'm on the song with. Then I'm gonna play the little quick verse. Then y'all can hear what the Slump6s sound like. But y'all know what to do. Sub up, like the video, turn on post notice for every time I post a video. I'm probably gonna be starting to post consistently because I know I ain't posting a month. Y'all probably been wondering where I'm at. Barely got subscribers, but anyways, I'm gonna play it for y'all. Then I'm gonna show y'all the preset. I'm gonna show y'all the main libs. After I show y'all the main preset, the vocals, and then I'm gonna show y'all it, and then it's gonna be in the comments also. So I might just play it real quick. Here it go.
Bang out music, this that bang out music. Bang out music, we get into it. Fuck you up before the back, I do it. Spending that money and get it right back. Get talking big and touch to a hashtag. Say they want money, you know we gon' match that. Don't want your bitch, you know we gon' pass that. Marcus is tired of holding the ferrets.
Oh yeah, I forgot to say, I'm gonna show y'all the second verse that I got on this song with the preset right now. Here it go. So I'm gonna go show y'all.
For real, I go a baby on my foot bill. I need a meal. I need a meal for us on the deal. I can wait till my mama see me on the TV. I should've 3, this shit easy. Fucking on Lily and Lil Kiki. Your bitch left, you know she was peasy.
And yeah, that's the preset right there. So now I'm basically finna just show y'all everything. And if you want to, you can just go to the comments and press the link to go to it. But some people, it don't work for, so I'm gonna show y'all. So here go the main vocals right here. So you can pause the video if you need, but I'm going show y'all through it. I'm gonna give y'all 3 seconds of time to look through it if you don't feel like pausing it. If you're a fast typer and looking at stuff. But here I go. And that's it for the vocals. So now I'm gonna start the main lips. Here I go. Make sure to pause if you need. And there goes the main libs. So now I'm gonna show y'all. Alright, so now I'm gonna show y'all Oh, I already showed you the song. So basically, that's the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notice. I'm gonna be posting videos more consistently now. I know I ain't posting a month, but bear with me. But preset links gonna be in the comments if you don't feel like copying everything down. But like I said, some people it just don't work for, so that's why I do it anyways. And that's the Slump6s preset, Slump6s preset, my fault. And just let me know what other presets y'all want in the comments. I can pretty much do every preset. Any preset y'all want, show y'all the concept and make another video. And without further ado, like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notice, and peace.